Welcome inside a modern garment factory, where skilled operators transform fabric into quality apparel every day.
Cut fabric pieces arrive in bundles, carefully sorted by size, color, and production order before stitching begins.
The lock-stitch machine joins fabric panels together, creating strong, neat seams with remarkable speed and precision every minute. Overlock machines trim raw edges while stitching, preventing fabric fraying and producing durable professional garment finishes throughout. Sleeves are carefully attached using specialized machines, ensuring balanced alignment, comfort, and excellent garment appearance for customers. Pockets are positioned accurately using guides, creating consistent placement across thousands of garments produced every single day. Automatic machines create buttonholes and securely attack buttons, delivering uniform quality with impressive production efficiency every shift. Quality inspectors examine every seam, ensuring garments meet strict factory standards before moving toward finishing departments for approval. Steam pressing removes wrinkles, enhances garment appearance, and prepares every product for careful folding and packaging into cartons. Finished garments receive labels, protective packaging, and organized carton packing before shipment to customers across worldwide markets. From simple fabric pieces to finished clothing, sewing transforms ideas into garments worn by millions around the world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.